Spring cleaning is on the horizon, and you guys, that means we need to be checking both our commercial and residential equipment, but you don't want to hire just anybody to get the job done. You want someone local and trusted, just like Arctic Food Equipment. I'm here with Nathan McCartney, and Nathan, you've brought a guest today.
Yeah, we've got Jordan. He's been with us, a little over 10 years now?
Yep.
Maybe pushing 12?
Started in January 2015.
Yeah, so he's one of our great field technicians. He's out there, super qualified. It's been really a great experience to have him on with us as one of our technicians.
Well, and I feel like the key word here is, service technician, because we've all got, AC units, whether that's the house, whether that's a business. And with warmer weather coming, we're going to want to make sure those are tuned up, and in addition to all the other things that go into owning and operating businesses and homes. So, would you mind, Jordan, telling us a little bit about your experience and background with Arctic Food Equipment?
Yes, I've been with Arctic about 10 years now. It's been a great journey. It's changed my life. I love working here. I've gotten certified in many different places, different manufacturers. I've worked on a lot of equipment over the years, worked with a lot of customers, and I love taking care of them.
Yeah. Now, what about, I'm maybe a little birdie might have told me, but you had a call the other day that you basically showed up with the parts in hand and you were ready to go. There was no hey, okay, I need to be back and go here and there, and then I'll be here to help you. You were right there on time, ready to do the job.
Yep, when we show up with the parts, we can save you another trip charge, save you some money. It'll help out with the end bill. So we want to take care of it.
We also talk about we have the full parts department, right? So we can oftentimes get you solved today without having to wait to order another part, a lot of people around town have to do.
Yeah, the immediacy is of the utmost importance, especially when you're running a business. And what are some kind of warning signs, if you will, to look at in your equipment ahead of spring before it's too much of a problem that it shuts you down?
I would start things up, just make sure everything's running okay, but you could check belts, filters, cleanliness of the unit, and just if you have any issues, give us a call and we can figure it out for you.
If you've left your ice machine sitting at the lake all winter, before you start up the dock and the business and ready to go, maybe check that out. Give us a call. We'd be happy to take a look. But a lot of this stuff is going to pay your bills, right? And you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss a busy weekend in the summer if you're down in Branson or around the lake area. Because you didn't check some of the stuff out beforehand and have us get out there ahead of time. Yeah,
absolutely. And then what about, let's again focus on the responsiveness and your team and the technicians that you guys have here. You're quick to respond, you're quick to act.
Yes, we have great certified technicians. We have a big crew. We're ready to take care of anything that they have. We take care of hospitals, schools, restaurants, and we can take care of anything that you have going on and prevent downtime.
Yeah.
One of the things that Jordan keeps trying to defer is just kind of the skill level that he's got.
Yeah.
He started off with very little skills and then came in and has worked his way up. He's now got a master's license, which means you have to have enough time in the field to even sit for that test and then pass a test and prove that you can actually do this. And he's just one of the guys that we've seen grow through that pipeline. And so, yes, we do have a lot of technicians, but we also spend a lot of time getting those guys up to speed. We don't just try and throw newbies out there and novices and try and throw them to the wolves.
Right.
So we've tried to train them in-house. We've sent them to a lot of factory schools, let them get a lot of extra specialized skills so that we can get the right guy, the right part, hopefully get you going as quickly as possible.
And right there, they invest in their employees, and that means those employees are going to invest in whatever they're doing to help your business, your home, whatever it is. They are going to invest the time to get you guys up and running before it is too late and you've hit a wall and you're like, well, now the business is closed. So, all right, Nathan, so for our viewers, what is the best way to get in touch with Arctic and make sure, you guys are out there when they need you?
Yeah, obviously, you can always come in a store. We always remind people it's open to the public. We love to see customers in here. Tons to look at, can test it, see our test kitchen where we're hanging out right now.
Yeah.
It's always a good opportunity. Give us a call. Love to talk to you on the phone too, but we also now have a new e-commerce platform. So you can actually order new products, new equipment all through the website. You can see your equipment history, you can see your invoice history, pay bills online, all that. And now you can even put in a service call, a non-emergency service call. Much better just give us a call if it's an emergency, but you can still put in a service call. We'll get you on the schedule and get a technician out there to you. That's arcticfoodinc.com.
All right, perfect. Phone, online, or just come in store. Arctic Food Equipment is going to take care of you before spring, into spring and summer, before it's too late. So you guys come on out or give them a call, Arctic Food Equipment.